who are the people who are succeeding online? Because, you know, when I first started, I would really like to know. And again, there were two different types of people I'm going to speak about, so get ready for this one. So online we have the traditional marketers. We have the Ryan Dices of the world, the Frank Kerns, all these sort of people that have been established, long established in their roles, and they do very well, and they'll continue to do very well because they've developed systems and methods in place. But one of the things that you'll find with these people is that they utilize the 80-20 principle, the Pareto principle, which means that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts, or to say that 80% of your wealth comes from 20% of your clients. And this is synonymous with most things. It's seen in sports, it's seen in business, it's seen in education, it's seen in everything, the 80-20 principle. And what I would say to you right now is that when you're building your business, you need to be concentrating on those high production tasks, those tasks that are going to bring some money in for you. A high production task is setting out a Facebook ad, doing a webinar, all those sorts of things that are going to get people in, have a look at your product, and people are then going to buy. So back to who are the people who are succeeding online? Well, of course, there's the traditional marketers who I've just spoken about. But more importantly, more interestingly, there's been a big paradigm shift over the last few years of baby boomers. And these are people who are coming up to retirement, people in the sort of 50s, 60s, who look at retirement and think, hang on a minute, my pension doesn't provide me with a lifestyle that I really want. In fact, my pension is going to really, my pension's been stripped away. You know, years ago, I was a police officer, and I left to go into business over 20 years ago. But a lot of colleagues who I know are now having to work an extra 5 years to get less than what they paid in. So their pension is going to be less than what they actually signed up for, but they're having to work more. Okay, 5 years more, in fact. So that's what's happening. Baby boomers are coming in. And I tell you why baby boomers are being successful is because they take it seriously and they don't really have a choice. When you're faced with the fact that you're going to end up with, you know, maybe 10, 15, 20 years or more without the right financial provisions in place, that is a serious situation. You would have thought that the people who were going to be successful would be the young people, you know, the 18-year-olds, the millennials, that sort of people. They're just off partying. They don't really care about anything. You know, it's only until you come up with, you know, pension, you go, hang on a minute, there's a problem there. We need to do something about it, and we need to be serious about this. So really, two secrets from today. Number one is when you get in your business, work on those high production tasks. Take a leaf out of the marketers, and also think about the people who are making inroads, the paradigm shift, the baby boomers, the people that are really taking it seriously. And also take your business seriously. That is a real consideration. Treat your business as a business, and it'll pay you as a business. I know it sounds like a cliche, but it's true.